Hello and welcome to woodheatstoves.com. The purpose of this video is to help you find and order parts on our website. Now the easiest way to find parts is to use your owner's manual or parts list, enter the part number into the search box, and it'll bring your product up. In this case we're going to assume you don't know what your part number is, so I'll help guide you through that. We'll start by looking for an auger motor for a Whitfield Advantage 2. So I can click on this link here and I'll probably find it, but just to make absolutely sure you have the right part number, first we'll click on our self-service guide. I already know my stove's make and model number, so I'll go directly to the free parts list. And then I'll click on pellet stove parts. Since we have an older Whitfield stove, I'll click this link. Brings you to this window. You click the big bold link that says click here to download, which I have already done. So we have a Whitfield Advantage 2. We'll look on page 4. We'll look for the electrical components. I typically like to just copy and paste part numbers directly from the parts list and paste them right into our search box. Now in this case we have a couple of options. We have an aftermarket auger motor and the factory original. Let's just make sure it's the correct part. Fits all of these Whitfield pellet stoves, and there's our model right there, the Advantage 2. Okay, so we're relatively certain that's the correct part. We'll add one to the cart and proceed on to checkout. Now here there's a few options. If you prefer to use PayPal, just click here on this link. It'll take you to a PayPal checkout window. Otherwise, start with your name and address, telephone number, shipping information, etc. goes here. Your email address is very important that is accurate, so you get your order confirmations, shipping and tracking information, etc. Also, keep in mind at this point we need to have your credit card billing zip code here. Even if it's different than your shipping address, we can change that later. I'm a returning customer, so I'll log in here. If I can type. And click log in. Okay, so I'm logged in. Down here I'm going to double check my shipping address. Want to make sure that the address is going to go to the right place. UPS ground. If I wanted it to go quicker, I could do third or second day shipment. If this wasn't the correct address, I would change my shipping address by clicking on this button. Now for the purpose of this I'm just going to do a test order. Typically you'd select credit card, use a Visa or Master, put your number in, the expiration, and the 3-digit code off the back, which we'll use for security reasons. Say test order. Now here we do have our terms and conditions of using our website are listed here. I do need to click that I agree to them before I confirm my order. Okay, now it's given me a 5-digit order number. I want to write that down just in case for some reason I'm not receiving the Woodheat emails. If I did have any questions, I would typically just copy that order number, go to the Contact Us link, and say need help, etc., and click send. I could also pick up the phone and call our 800 number anytime. And that's basically it. You get a message that says your message has been sent. At this point, if I wanted to see what I've ordered from us, I'd click on the My Account link here. Here's the most recent purchase. Whitfield auger motor, delivery address, shipping method, payment method is all stored here. That's pretty much the basics. Again, if you do have problems, feel free to use the Contact Us link, reply to us, or use our toll-free number listed on every web page. Again, thanks for watching the video, and best of luck with your pellet stove repair.